really short video about what you can do with the new GPTs features. So I've made a small lab to show you. Here's my infrastructure. So ChatGPT can now call API. That's the thing. So I've made a lab. I've made a small API. It's connected to two virtual XR routers, and I'm using ngrok to publish my API port on the internet to ChatGPT. So very simple. No, the GPTs you can create. So it's like your personal GPT, ChatGPT. And basically, what's interesting here is that I can give him an OpenAPI or Swagger schema, so he can know how he can use the API. And basically, what I've done, it's very simple. I will show you. I've created a really small API in Python with Flask, and it's just you send the host IP and a list of commands separated by a comma, and you can have access to the router. That's it, like very simple, nothing special. So here is my ngrok, and this is the two virtual XR, okay? So now with the assistant, can you show me the lab topology? I've sent him the topology before this video. So he has some few information like the management IP and the links between the interface, okay? Just starting my API. So now it's listening on port 5000. So here it's local host port 5000. I have an HTTP tunnel to ngrok. So ChatGPT can query the ngrok directly and it's going to my lab VM. Okay, so based on this, I will ask him, can you change 0000 of XRd to, I'm not giving him the subnet, anything, like he just has to guess. So it is calling the API. We can see here, yeah, this is the last call. We're probably going to have a log in this window as well with the post. Yeah, so we can see the command configure interface. So he know that he has to use configure, commit, and end in this command. And if I'm checking now this interface, yeah, it's now using .10 show clock, show log last 10. Yeah, he's connected. Yeah, committed just now. Okay. And now something more sexier. Can you set up an IBGP session between XR1 and XR2? Use the G0000 interfaces. Again, I didn't teach him anything, like he just know the command to use. He just have access to the device in SSH and he knows what to do from here. I think it's very interesting, like if you can plug this to an APIC or like Nexus Dashboard, everything that has an API, I'm pretty sure this lab assistant is able to do a lot of things. Like if we have to set up labs for customers or that kind of things, it's very, very useful. So it's a bit longer because obviously there is more things to do here. Yeah, we have the, yeah, you can see here there is no BGP configuration. but we are going to see after the second API call that there will be a PGP session. Yeah, this was for the XR1 and this is for XR2. As you can see, it's a bit slower, but it's a bit slow, but it's because ChatGPT server are a bit overwhelmed, I think, with this new feature. Let's have a look at the API call. We can see that he's using configure router BGP, the router ID, initializing address family, the neighbor, address family. Everything looks good to me. Let him finish with the second device. So it looks like it's done. If I'm checking on XR2, yeah, we have PGP session. Let's even ask him, can you check if the sessions are established on XR1? No, it's the end of the demo. I've reached the current usage cap of ChatGPT, but I can check on the device by myself. And yeah, it's established. So yeah, I think it's very cool.